DCC8 DC coupler, which is supposed to work with this Lumix camera. And I don't see any instruction sheet with it or anything, so let's see if I can figure out how it works. Alright, so here we have a cord, and this is obviously the coupler that's supposed to go into the camera, and we also have a USB 20-watt quick charger. So one would assume those three things go together and into the camera. Let's find out. That's got to go in like that. Alright, so how is it going to come out of there? Okay, I had to do a little exploring, and finally I found that spot right there, which is apparently where a cable is supposed to come out. The device runs off from a USB charger, and this is a 20-watt USB charger. Plug it in and see what happens. What do you know? Camera comes on just fine. So I think I'm going to be happy with this. I like to use this camera a lot for time-lapse. I like to do most of my time-lapses outdoors, flowers blooming and that sort of thing. The question is, well, how are you going to plug this in outdoors? Well, that's what power banks are for, folks.